So if you're like pretty much everyone, you are sick of group projects where you can't settle on a topic, one or two people do all the work, and it's a mad rush of panic at the end. In this video, I am sharing 5 pretty amazing ways that ChatGPT can zap those group project headaches, and no, these are not cheating. Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to the Prof Chat channel, where I am all about helping you boost your grades and slash your stress in college. Today I am back in Chat GPT, and let me just say this little bot continues to impress me. First up, you can use Chat GPT to decide on a topic or focus for your group project. Often it can be a challenge to settle on a topic as a group. There may be some members who have strong ideas and others who just aren't comfortable speaking up. To avoid arguments or railroading, ask ChatGPT to generate 5 specific topic ideas to start with. This removes some of that her idea versus my idea pressure and gives the group some neutral ideas to consider more objectively. And even if you don't go with one of the provided ideas, they are likely to lead your group to develop a stronger topic idea than if you just try to do it on your own. The key here is to be very detailed in your prompt, so give all relevant information about the assignment task so ChatGPT can generate ideas that are actually relevant and helpful. The next ChatGPT group project hack is using it to create a step-by-step task list. So often it can be a challenge to break down a huge task like a week's or even semester-long group project into bite-sized action steps. By asking ChatGPT to generate an initial list of action steps for your project, you at least have a starting point. From here, you can work as a group to break these down even further if you need to. Again, simply having a neutral starting point for these tasks can relieve a lot of indecision and tension during the group planning process. Group project hack number 3, using ChatGPT to assign tasks. So deciding who does what in a group project is another thing that can be thick with tension. Why not have an unbiased robot randomly assign tasks to members? Now, ChatGPT does not necessarily know how much time or effort is involved in each task, so this is just a neutral starting point. You will then work as a group to shuffle things around so that first, everything is getting done, and second, things are relatively equitable. And of course, if you want a few possible ideas for task assignments, you can always ask ChatGPT to pop out another option. These task assignments are important for step 4, but before we get there, if this video has been helpful for you so far, I would so appreciate it if you would boop that like button. That just helps more students like you find this video. Now, back to step 4. So next, we can ask ChatGPT to create a project timeline. So you simply specify the time frame you've got to do the work, so in 4 weeks or in 6 weeks, and ChatGPT will give you a breakdown of what should be completed when. Now, in my example output here, it's also giving weekly tasks by member, since I've already established that piece in the chat conversation. So this can be a great way to help each group member to know exactly what they should be working on each week. Goodbye, night before it's due, panic. And again, because ChatGPT may not know exactly how long each of these tasks take or how much maybe your assignment specifies you spend on them, you may need to adjust this, because remember, the AI tool is only as helpful as the human brains behind it. Finally, number 5, making a pieced-together group project paper sound coherent. If yours is a project where each group member is writing a different section of a paper, it can get pretty choppy. Having several different writing styles thrown together can make it tough to follow what you're actually trying to say. By pasting in your pieced-together paper and asking ChatGPT to revise it to a consistent voice, you will retain all of the written work, but have a final product that is much more polished and more likely to earn that higher grade. Just be sure to double check that the output result does actually include everything in the original copy, and that nothing has been erroneously added by the bot. So smoothing language is one thing, but adding content is something else. Again, you and your group members are ultimately responsible for the integrity of what you are turning in. So just be careful here. Now, as a professor and academic coach, I don't consider these to be cheating, but it is important that you know the specific rules that your professor or campus has in place regarding using AI tools in your homework. Now, if you're interested in how ChatGPT can help you with your college papers, definitely check out this video right up here next, where I share 5 non-cheating ChatGPT paper shortcuts. So I will see you over there.